to go. We're getting ready to go. And
No.
Brayla says no, but I say yes. We're going. She's so funny right now. She just woke up. We're in Miami now at a hotel. We're about to get shuttled to the cruise in about an hour. I gotta start getting ready. I'm gonna run out of time. I'm gonna get like an hour.
We're usually waiting on me, and I think we're gonna be waiting on David today.
Probably. Just so you know, if you're in a big city and you forgot something or you didn't pack something, guess what? Time
Diapers.
now is a real thing. Diapers straight to your door. That is convenience. This cruise is going to be epic. We're on the bus. Ready to go. We've had a tough day or two. We had a major meltdown yesterday that lasted about an hour, a restraining type meltdown, but we're okay. We are good. We are going to make it today. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Ready to get on that cruise ship? We're having diaper problems. Some major diaper problems on this trip, like meltdowns caused by characters on diapers. Specifically, we've tried unicorns, we've tried Doc McStuffins, we've tried Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse.
Good morning. Okay, everybody. Got anything to tell you. So right now, you know you're on vacation, right? Yeah. Okay, that's rule number one. Rule number two is very simple. All your stress that you have, leave it outside my bus right now, okay? All right. I'm going to say that one more time. All your stress and drama, wrap it up, leave it outside the bus right now, okay?
Yes, go ahead. Thank you.
No, it's alright.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's what I think.
Good job. Let's go this way. Thank you.
Got a chair?
Yep, we got it.
Sir, how many bags for checking?
One.
Got the luggage tag on it?
Yep.
Okay, you leave the bags with me and the porter.
Just walking toward the ship. I think we'll be good. just had our first cruise meltdown.
Well, got that out of the way.
Got the first cruise meltdown out of the way. Now we're gonna go to our room. Is this our room? 7, 9, 7. Here it is. Can you grab that?
Is it this one?
Yeah, here, leave that there. I'm talking about that.
I was like,
Should have our card in it.
I thought you were going to film that. That's why I handed it to you.
Welcome aboard.
We're in the middle of the hallway though.
We made it to our cruise ship. We have a breakfast menu. We have for room service. Gotta cost a lot of money. This is our desk area with a little TV. We got a lot of storage here. Got some cabinets, even a safe to put valuables. That's where I put my cameras when I'm not using them. Got a lot of mirrors. Nice sized bathroom. Got a shower. I haven't even opened this thing yet. Yeah, I could fit in here. Yeah, see? It's perfect.
Why is it still wet?
Got room. It's wet?
Is it wet or is it?
That is wet. That's disgusting. It's the shower, bathroom, and there's room to move around. It's not. There's room to move around. It's not too compact in here. We've got some coat hooks. Here's our couch. We have our bed. It seems like a king size bed. I'm pretty sure it's a king size bed.
I don't know. Last night we had a king size.
This is like an altered king size bed. It's a little weird, a little curved. We even have a privacy curtain right here in case someone's trying to sleep while someone else is trying to sleep. We just made a makeshift camera holder strap thing, and it actually works. 2 lanyards. Huh? 2 lanyards, and then guess what? If I'm like, oh, I need to vlog myself, I just boom, boom, oh, done.
Courtesy of Stacy.